Hi, I am Ruta,
Hi, I'm Mariola.
and we are designers at NoA Ignite, former Making Waves. Last time we were discussing how we run online workshops, and today we want to tell you more how we gather feedback on designs. We'll briefly tell you why we collect it and how we do it. We'll also explain what a prototype is and how it may help gather feedback and validate ideas in the design process.
Why we gather feedback? For us, gathering feedback is an integral part of every project. It's crucial if you want to provide a solution that will meet both business and user needs. The more feedback we collect, the better solution we can deliver. That's why we gather feedback from the end users to provide them the best experience. We gather feedback from the design and development team to be sure that we provide the solution technically adjusted to the time and budget that the client wants to spend on the project. And above all, we ask our clients for the input. After all, they are business domain experts. Their knowledge is crucial to provide a solution that meets the market expectations and covers their business needs.
Getting design feedback is essential because it helps to push projects forward and validate ideas before the client spends money on development. At NoA Ignite, we are fans of tight collaboration. We believe that an iterative approach and frequent feedback loops are the best way to create products and solutions that will meet both business and user expectations. Using the right tools for collecting feedback can help to do it efficiently. Daily, one of the tools that we use quite often are design prototypes.
So what is a prototype? A prototype is a visual representation of a solution that is created at an early stage of the design. We use them a lot, especially for communication and collaboration with our clients.
We differentiate a few types of prototypes. There are low fidelity prototypes such as sketches, paper prototypes, and clickable wireframes. They help to determine what the final product should be, and most of all, they are easy to revise and are fast and cheap to create. Then we have medium fidelity prototypes, usually including the UI design and basic interaction. They are more realistic regarding the functionality and design and require less imagination from reviewers and approvers to understand the concept. And above all, we have high fidelity prototypes that looks more like a final real product and are almost fully interactive. Those kinds of prototypes are often used in the user testing.
So what are the main benefits of the design prototypes? They help to verify the ideas and test different use cases. Thanks to them, we can act quickly on potential pain points and discover gaps in the flow.
It's also an excellent tool to run user testing. We can test either new product ideas as well as improvements on already existing solution.
It may save a lot of money because applying changes on the design prototypes is way cheaper and faster compared to changes in the code.
But most of all, it gets everyone on the same page. Thanks to visual and clickable prototype, we can get a pretty good understanding of how the final solution will work and look like. Okay, so how we gather design feedback? First of all, we adjust the communication model to client needs and possibilities. Our project managers will tell you more about that in the next video, but we'll tell you briefly how it may look like.
So once or twice a week, we have a status to present the work's progress on a design mockups or clickable prototypes. At the meeting, we gather feedback and answer potential questions.
At the same time, we communicate daily on Slack, Teams, or email to gather missing information, to smoothly proceed with the project, and get acceptance of the final designs.
We use Figma as a single source of truth. It's a live collaboration tool that supports us on every phase of the design process. All interested parties have access to the file at any time, so they can track the design work's progress.
Figma allows us to create interactive prototypes and test them on different devices, which is especially important while creating the prototypes for user testing.
We can collect feedback throughout comments pinned to the selected parts of the design, so the context of the feedback is easier to understand.
It also allows us to get feedback from developers regarding the technical possibilities and limitations, as well as provide them the design specification.
That's all for today. We hope that this video explains you more how we gather feedback on the design and why it matters.
Thank you for listening and stay tuned for the next video. Our project management team will tell you more how we collaborate with the clients and how they keep them up to date with their project progress. Bye! Thank you!
Bye!